Welcome to Learn Easy. For making understand a complete picture of compound interest, let me proceed with an example. Let principal be rupees 1000, time is equal to 2 years, rate of interest is equal to 10% per annum. Then what will be simple interest? Simple interest is equal to P R T divided by 100. Here P is equal to principal, R is equal to rate of interest per annum, T is equal to time in years. So for rupees 1000, simple interest will be for 2 years, simple interest will be 1000 into 10 into 2 divided by 100 is equal to rupees 200. This rupees 200 will be distributed at the end of first year 100 and at the end of second year 100. So in first year, interest you will get rupees 100, and in second year interest you will get rupees 100. So this is the complete picture of simple interest. Now coming to this compound interest. In case of compound interest, amount after first year, it will be principal plus interest for 1 year. So it will be P plus P RT divided by 100. It will come 1000 plus 1000 into 10 into 1 divided by 100 is equal to rupees 1100. And at the end of second year, again this rupees 1100, it will be principal for second year. So again P plus I, here P is equal to 1100 plus I, again we have to calculate, I is equal to, on this P, 1100 into R into 1 divided by 100. So it will come rupees 1210. In case of simple interest, he got total amount rupees 1000 plus 200 is equal to rupees 1200. In case of compound interest, he is getting 1210. So he is getting rupees 1210 minus 1200 is equal to rupees 10 extra. Why this extra amount is coming? The extra amount is coming because he is getting interest because is getting interest on interest. Is getting interest on principal as well as on interest also. This is the reason. Now to clear all these things, let me tabulate. Let me tabulate all these things in a paper as formulae. So simple interest is equal to P R T divided by 100. This is the formula. Here P is equal to principal, R is equal to RY in PA percentage, T is equal to time in years. This is simple. In case of compound interest, amount will be P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. That will be the amount. This is the formula of amount. Then Ci is equal to amount minus principal. So if I put P1 plus R by 100 to the power T minus P is equal to P common 1 plus R by 100 to the power T minus 1. This is the formula for compound interest. Now, the case may happen that interest gets compounded n times in a year. Then what will happen? If interest, in this case interest is compounded annually, but if interest gets compounded n times in a year, then Ci will be P 1 plus R divided by 100 into n to the power T into n minus 1. This is an useful formula. For an example, let us think that interest gets compounded half yearly. Then what will happen? Putting this formula, then n is equal to 2. So Ci will be P 1 plus R to the power 100 into n is equal to 100 into 200 T into 2t minus 1. Then this will be the formula for compound interest if interest gets compounded half yearly. This formula is also directly used. Now I am going to a simple sum directly. Mr. Umesh invests, the sum is here like this. Mr. Umesh invests rupees 3,20,000 for 2 years at 12.5% per annum, compounded annually. If the income tax rate TDS is 20%, deducted at the end of each year, on the interest accrued, find the amount he receives at the end of 2 years. So, solution will be, here what are given? Given P is equal to rupees 3,20,000. T is equal to 2 years. R is equal to 12.5% per annum, compounded annually. If income tax rate TDS 20%, deducted at the end of each year on the interest accrued. Interest accrued in each year. Then, considering TDS, net rate of interest will be changed. Rate of interest here is 12.5%, but considering TDS, net rate of interest or income will be this R 12.5% minus TDS 20% on R. That means 20% of 12.5. What it will come? 12.5 minus 20 by 100 into 12.5. Is equal to 12.5 minus 2.5 is equal to 10%. Now, for further progress of the sum, we will take R is equal to 10%. For further progress of the sum, we will take R is equal to 10%. Okay. Then what is happening? Now A2, we have to find out amount at the end of second year. So we have to find out A2. So this A2 can be found out by using formula directly or with the concept of compound interest. Now putting formula directly, I am trying first. So A2 is equal to, formula is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. Is it? Okay. Then if we put the value P into 1 plus R here 10 by 100 to the power T is 2 is equal to P P into, this is 1 plus 0.1, so I'm writing here 1.1 square. Okay, now putting the value of P, rupees 3,20,000 into 1.21. This is the amount he will get after second year. So if we multiply this will come as, you can multiply this will come as 3,87,200. This is the answer. But this multiplication is time consuming, so we can do this sum in other way, in applying the concept of compound interest. In that case, the rate of interest here is 10%. If you take, so R is 10% per annum, and principal is rupees 3,20,000. T is equal to 2 years. Here directly I am taking R is 10% after deducting TDS. Now what will happen? For the first year, what will be the interest? Interest in the first year, P R T divided by 100 is equal to, P is equal to 3,20,000, R is equal to 10 into 1. This is first year, 100. Is equal to rupees 32,000. Then what will be the amount after first year? A1, amount after first year. Simple, P plus I is equal to rupees 3,20,000 plus 32,000 is equal to rupees 3,52,000. This is the amount after first year, and this amount will be principal for second year. Then what will be interest for second year? This is the principal. Again, P R T divided by 100. Here P is equal to 3,52,000. R is equal to 10, 1 divided by 100 is equal to rupees 35,200. 35,200. Then what will be interest after second year? What will be the amount after second year? The amount will be A2 is equal to principal plus I. Here principal is this amount and I is this amount. So rupees 3,52,000 plus 35,200, and this will come rupees 3,87,000 87,200. This will be the answer. We compare these two answers, both will be same. This 3,87,200 and this 3,87,200. So in this way we can solve the problems of compound interest.